Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we are creating a very simple landscape in artist oil pastels. This is what we will create today. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. And yes, don't forget to comment how did you like it. Let's start. So let's start with another landscape and we'll make it very simple, very easy with minimum drawing, and we'll work it with the artist oil pastel colors. So for the drawing I am making so this is the drawing, and the rest of the effect we will be giving it with the help of the colors. Now before we start, I want you all to subscribe our channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel must be fun. So let's start. So this is the very basic drawing. Start with the sun using the yellow color. Around the sun we'll give the shades of little bit of orange. And just do some random coloring. For the sky we'll use the blue shade. In between some shades of yellow. Let's start merging first the yellow color. We are doing it simple with the finger. Now whatever color we are adding, we have to just merge it. Now for this part, what we'll do is we'll add the green color. We'll use the green color. We'll add some blue with the depth with the blue color, dark blue, and then black. Now for this area, we'll start with a little bit of blue. On this side, we'll first we'll add some shades of dark brown. With the marker, we'll make some trees first and then we'll give the depth in it. We'll use a black pencil. At times marker doesn't work on these colors. We will create the whole effect with a black pencil. I'm mixing the water. And I've created all the details with the pencil.
So I've just highlighted a little bit of, given the depth in the river also, the shadows. You have to just take care of all that. And my simple nature scene is ready. I'll just remove the tapes and show you how it is looking. This is how the landscape is looking. In very easy steps, we have done it.
Now this is what we have created. Do give it a try and just enjoy this process. It's so easy to create these paintings. Do subscribe the channel, press the bell.